Hi, this is a quick video all about using our flags for that targeted marketing. So you can edit all of your flags in the top right cog and flags. And we want to specifically look at customer flags because unfortunately we can't at the minute directly message the pets using the pets flags. So it's all the customer flags. So you can assign flags however you like, whether it's 8 weekly grooms on a schedule, 4 weekly schedule, whether they're toy, small, medium, large, whether they haven't been in for a while. You can use whatever flag that you want to send out a message to that group of customers. So then we can assign it, so either as you go along, you can assign within their appointments, we can click into their profile and add a flag. You can see this one's already got 8 weekly and small. Or you can have a look over in your customers list and you can see all of the flags. So if there's customers that haven't got any flags that you should have, specifically if you're doing the small and large or medium breeds, so that you can specifically target emails directly to them, just making sure there's flags attached to all of those customers that should have. Once you're all ready and you've got all of your group of customers under one of the flags, we can go to the Send to All, Send Message, By Flags, and we can pick one of those flags. So whether it's a 8 weekly special, so we can include just those 8 weekly flags, click on Next, we can pop the subject line in, make sure your salon name's in there, or you could use a template if you've created a template specifically for it, and then you can create your message specifically to say maybe for summer only, book in for a 4 weekly in between bath and tidy for a discounted price, help keep that summer heat at bay, keep their coat in top condition. You can add your email in there, whatever you want to say in there. Then we can go down and hit Next, and then you can choose whether you want to send it as an SMS as well or not, or we can toggle it off, or you can pop the message in there and then we can go to Next, and then we can double check that message, and if there's an SMS there as well, that will then turn up, and then you can click to send, and that will send to all of those specific customers that have got that flag. So it's a really nifty way just to engage those target customers, be it double coated breeds, customers that haven't been in for a while, your VIP customers, letting them know about your Christmas bookings. It's a really nifty way just to communicate directly with certain customers in your list.